Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or how to improve your typing speed. So let's go to the tutorial. At first, in a new tab I will open a website which is livechat.com. Typing speed, you don't need to worry about the website link. I have already included this in my video description below. So now I will start my typing. I assumed that you have already known your fingers position on your keyboard where you have to place your which fingers. So now let's begin our test. G-U-R-I-N-I-N-C-T B-I-C-I-D-C decide on C-O-R-I My typing speed is 37 word per minute, and it's this typing type is called touch typing. I did not look at my website. I just focus my eye on my computer monitor. I think this tutorial is really helpful for beginners who are practicing in a software, typing master or any other software. You can use this website in online to improve your typing speed. Goodbye.